You are now watching Doorbell News.
Ripley, Tennessee.
Is somebody you're looking for?
No, why?
You're at the wrong house.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Oh, shit. Hold on. I'm going nuts. It's been one of them days. I'm sorry.
Oh, you okay?
Sounds like a little dementia kicking in. Meanwhile, in Florida, this homeowner hears something in his backyard. That was a close one. That could have ended pretty badly. Gotta follow the rules, even on an electric bike. Meanwhile, in Philly, the old stop and frisk.
You alright? You stopping your keys and shit?
I'm fine.
You come up a little nervous a little bit, you alright?
Yeah. Why would I be nervous?
No gun or anything?
No.
Oh, big though, man. You don't mind smushing it real fast?
I'll do
Send it
mine.
how over it, just smush it.
I don't want to smoke it.
You don't want to smush it?
Mm-mm.
No? Probably is a gun, but alright. Oh, yeah. You good? You dropping the keys and shit, you know what I mean? You know how that looks? It looks like you're nervous a little bit.
No, I'm not nervous.
Alright.
Hello.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm alright.
I
You
was.
coming because of the ring doorbell?
I'm sorry.
The bell? Auntie, it's Homeland Security.
Oh, we good. You don't want to talk to us?
I don't live with you.
Come in.
You have a right to remain silent. Glendale, Arizona. We got a tough guy here. Looks like he has one of those Daisy BB guns or something. Midland, Texas. Sometimes it's just best to stay inside of the house if you hear noises outside.
They're chasing us all.
Come here. Come on, come here, come here. That's why you don't. Give me your.
Yeah? Nothing. Nothing? Huh? What was that? It was the bathroom.
Oh, nothing, Mother. That's just the bathroom making noises.
Tallahassee, Florida. This DoorDash delivery worker decided to go shopping. Aha, it was nothing but a dish rack in there. Somebody decided to leave these puppies at this homeowner's front door. I'm not the smartest guy in the world, but that looked like a friendly dog. He probably just wanted to play. Looks like a poodle or something. This homeowner makes snake art, and this guy fell for it, thought it was real.
You got me.
Meanwhile, in Phoenix, this guy's driving home on his motorcycle when all of a sudden, Bronx, New York. Looks like somebody needs their license revoked.
My son definitely thought he's playing GTA. That's wow. I ain't never seen no shit like this in my life. God bless whoever did this, but damn. Closet crazy.
Lancaster, California.
Please call the police for me. She will not leave me alone. Leave me alone. Please, just call the police. You don't have to answer the door. You do not have to answer the door. Please call the police. Please. She won't make me go to jail. I do not. He put his hands on me. He put his hands on me. Let's call the police. You put your hands on me. You're a narcissist. Please help me. No, you put your hands on me.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Sounds like a healthy relationship. She's doing a little late night discount shopping.
Make sure you hit the like button.
What do you think is going on in this video? You be the judge. Leave your feedback in the comments.
Can I help you?
You need something?
I'm Officer Mitchell with the Rowlett Police
Can I
Department.
help you?
Yes, sir. Can you?
This is Deborah.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Is
What can I do
everything
for
okay?
you?
Yeah. Hey, Deborah. I was
Yeah.
trying to get some information.
I'm sorry. Hold on. I was
Yeah, I'm
in
sorry,
the
you're breaking
shower.
up. You were what?
I need to get more information from you regarding the class that you attended last.
Are you there? I'm sorry, you
Okay.
broke up.
Can you give me about 5 minutes?
Yes, ma'am. Are you here?
Yes, I'm here. I was about to step in the shower, so let me get
I'll let
dressed.
her know.
All right, sir. I'll be here. I'll wait for you outside. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, what are you, okay, what are you there for?
Bye.
My name's Officer Mitchell. Deborah attended
Uh-huh.
a class at the police department last night, and I needed to ask her a couple of questions. She's not in
Deborah
trouble. I
wasn't,
don't want her to.
yeah, Deborah,
Um,
she didn't attend a class at the police department last night.
She did. So that's what I need to talk to her about. She's not in trouble.
All
I
right,
don't want her to be in trouble.
I'm gonna talk to her. I'm gonna give her a call.
Okay, yeah, that'll
All
be
right.
perfect, sir. All right,
All
thank
right,
you. And
thanks.
again, hey, Officer Mitchell with the Rowlett Police Department.
All right, thanks.
Meanwhile in Phoenix, check this guy out.
Hello, sorry to bother you. I just did the same thing to your neighbors. I have somebody following me. I don't know who they are. I see you guys had a ring camera, so I felt like this was a safe thing to do.
There you go.
So after posting this video online, it ended up getting back to this guy. So his friend ended up bringing the dish rack back.
There you go.
Yeah, a little doorbell news justice was served. What's that, like a rat or something? Fresno, California.
Fresno Police Department.
And this door don't got nothing to do with next door. You at the wrong door.
Is it next door?
Yeah,
This is the
you
address
at the
they
wrong
provided. That's
door.
why. Do you know which one next door? This way or the other way?
They walking up and down the street. I don't know. I just hear commotion. I'm being nosy
You just
too.
hear commotion. Okay, yeah, because they gave this address for some reason.
Well,
I
they
don't know
better
why.
not have. I'm a paralegal. I don't got problems at my house. You'll be
Okay,
bagging
no
them.
worries. I appreciate. I
You'll be
appreciate you
bagging
telling
them.
me. I appreciate it.
I know my rights.
Take care.
A nice visit from Jehovah's Witness.
It says, do not knock or ring the doorbell. And it's no solicitor. Well, we're not soliciting.
Okay. And don't pull away from me. I ain't far enough. No. Don't pull away. We're gonna make it work for you. I ain't fucking pulling away. Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm just gonna pull away. Okay, go. That is nice, okay?
Meanwhile, in Colorado, something you may not see every day.
Oh my god, is this really happening? I cannot believe this is happening right here. Oh my god.
Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming. Thanks for watching.
Make sure you subscribe and like the video.